We're back now at 6:56 with your morning rush.
Right now, communities across southeast Wisconsin waking up to significant damage from severe storms. We have live team coverage in the hardest hit areas of Dodge County this morning. We start with Hannah Hilliard in Mayville, where there's a state of emergency.
Right, a state of emergency after a potential tornado ripped through this town around 6:30 last night. You have uprooted trees, structural damage to multiple buildings here, but they are mobilizing quickly. We've seen crews out here before 6 o'clock this morning picking up all the debris that had already been pushed to the sides of the street. They are making quick work of it, but they have a long day ahead of them. This coming through the south side. We know Mayville School District is shut down with multiple power outages here in the area. Most importantly, the mayor says no one suffered any significant injuries from the storm.
Hannah Hilliard live in Mayville. Thank you so much, Hannah. Now let's get a view from above with Matt Slemy in News Chopper 12. Matt, where are you right now and how are things looking?
All right, so the first sign of stuff was just to the southwest of town. Here's what I've spotted here, a set of power lines down, and there's one pole that's going west and one pole that's broken and going east. And then from there, you can see there was a couple of homes that were damaged. You can see serious damage to the homes, two garages completely blown over. And then we go ahead and turn into the industrial complex. It's on the south side of Mayville itself, and we have three factories that have serious damage, one that is completely destroyed. You can see this one here just completely destroyed, and then from there it crept into the neighborhood, and you can see there's some trees down and some cars damaged, and there's actually a garage that was knocked right off of the foundation. Right there it is. You can see the garage completely knocked right off of the foundation, but the home unscathed. Above Mayville, in News Chopper 12, Matt Slemy, WISN 12 News.
Yeah, just stunning view from above of that damage this morning. Matt, thank you. Now let's turn things over to Zoe Henry. She's live in Juneau, a little west of Mayville. Zoe, major damage there as well.
Yeah, Mallory, we're on the west side of Juneau right now, and you don't have to walk far or go far to find debris in this area. We've got a debris field behind me, cardboard boxes, panels from on buildings, severed trees everywhere. I mean, you can see the broken tops off, but this is straight out of a movie here. You can see that this trailer, it was once sitting in someone's yard, is now in a tree sitting on its two wheels here. You can see inside. This is a testament of how strong the winds were last night. Now, there's a loud beeping sound coming from inside this thing, but you can just see how significant the damage here in Juneau.
Yeah,